Guys, it's so boring when I spend 4 hours making a video. I know I'm a new kind of creator, but or less hours making a video and no subscribers, no likes, no nothing, only views. I'm fine with 1 to 20 likes, but none, not even one comment. Like seriously, if you scroll 3 minutes, you see that little Timmy has 3 million likes. Like seriously, he did nothing in his videos and I spent like half an hour or maximum 2, and I actually do that for nothing. Absolute nothing. Use the sound if this is a relatable.